Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. It has been a few rainy days here in upstate New York, and I wanted to share with you how I spend my cozy rainy days in. The first thing I usually do is pick myself some fresh flowers and make myself an arrangement. Just seeing the beautiful flowers throughout the day really puts me in a better mood and brightens my day. The next thing I'll do is usually grab a coffee and a green drink and light a candle. I've currently been loving this vibrant green smoothie that is filled with nutrients and has pineapple, banana, spinach, and ginger. And it wouldn't be a movie day without popcorn. I personally like to just get the corn kernels and pop them myself, but with a baby that's not always doable, and my husband loves this. Getting the double butter kind of kills me, but it's all in good fun. We don't have this often, so I'm going to pop some of this in the microwave. Then when it's ready, I'm actually going to add some Trader Joe's garlic salt, everything but the bagel seasoning, and nutritional yeast, which gives you a cheesy flavor and a ton of vitamin B, I think over 150% of your daily needs. So it is amazing. Pick me up. I absolutely love this stuff. It's kind of my secret health staple, and I swear to you, it tastes delicious. So we're going to do that now. And after a movie and popcorn day, a few hours had passed and I was looking for a nice healthy salad. So I always buy organic vegetables and still use a fruit and vegetable cleaner and run my vegetables and fruits under water for a few minutes just to soak away anything remaining on the produce. After everything is soaked, I usually leave everything out to dry a few minutes and get started on my salad. I'm a big fan of spinach salads just because of the high nutrients they provide. Additionally, this time of year, I love to add a ton of fresh fruits and vegetables, and I'll add a little bit of savory, salty goodness as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. I read once that salting your salads really elevates the flavor, and I really haven't looked back since. But I am curious, do you guys add salt and pepper to your salads also, or is that just a weird thing that I do? And for my salad dressings, I usually always do olive oil or avocado oil and balsamic vinegar just to reduce any extra sugars or fats that are added to the dressing sometimes. And one of my favorite things to do on rainy days and gloomy days is to read. So I just picked up this book here. It is a thriller, which I am moving into fall, and I'm looking for more thriller books. So I'm looking forward to reading this one here, and that's what I'm going to do now. Alright, another rainy day hack is this Four Sigmatic mushroom coffee mix with chaga. So this is a decaf coffee blend that has adaptogens, which are meant to help you cope with stress and anxiety. People swear by this coffee, and this was my first time trying it. I was really pleasantly surprised with the taste, which tasted like a subtle, not too strong, not too bitter coffee. It was really easy to make. I just heated up some of my almond milk and then mixed it all in with a whisk and then added some creamer, and I was good to go. And it's as easy as that. On a gloomy day, sometimes all I want is a hot cup of coffee, but in the afternoon it can actually give me some anxiety. So this actually calms me down and lets me enjoy my cozy afternoon without feeling anxious. And there's pretty much no better gloomy day pick-me-up than some skincare. So I'm going to use this Herbivore Brighten Instant Glow Mask. It's made with papaya enzymes, just to give you a nice renewed glowing finish. It's very lightweight. As you can see, it's very watery, and it actually says not to stir, just to put on. It dries to a nice consistency, and yeah, I really like it. It did come with a applicator a long time ago, but I have since lost that. That being said, without the applicator, it is going on with my hands. My mask is on and I've got my coffee. I'm going to sit down and read for a few minutes while I'm waiting for my mask to dry. Okay, mask has set, so time to rinse it off. But if you see where it's dried, it's not really, it's like firm. It almost feels like it's not there. Definitely not irritating at all. Okay, guys, and the last thing I'm going to do is make some baked goods. I don't know about you, but for me, on a cozy rainy day, nothing is better than a nice baked good. So I am making lower carb cherry and chocolate chip muffins. I found this recipe online and I'm going to link it below for you. These came out absolutely amazing. We ate them all in probably a day or so. I would highly recommend them. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So my only recommendation for this recipe would be to invest in cupcake or muffin liners. The recipe just called for greasing the pan. However, after these were cooked, they were rather difficult to get out. I wasn't able to put them on the drying rack to cool. They still came out amazing, but I would probably line the pan again if I had to go back. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe below if you have not already. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video.